A New Mexico law allows some of you to get rid of your criminal records, but tonight Target 7 has learned even though some have successfully been granted expungement, old arrests and convictions are still popping up. Here's Target 7's John Cardinelli.
30 years ago, Cheryl was caught stealing.
My mother died when I was 16 years old and I didn't have a place to live. And so I went through a rough patch. And this was part of that.
What she swiped added up to about $100, and back in 1984, that amounted to a felony in New Mexico.
I mean, I never believed the sign that said that shoplifting would follow you for the rest of your life, but it's true.
Cheryl didn't want us to identify her because she's had so many problems over an arrest that took place 4 decades ago. She says it's prevented her from going to nursing school, and with every job, she's had to explain her felony arrest on her background check.
When someone has paid their debt to society, they should be allowed to move on. Pure and simple.
2 years ago, the New Mexico legislature passed the Expungement Act. It basically says if you have been convicted of a minor crime, you can petition the court to have your record erased.
They disappear. They are removed from the court system. You can get arrest records removed. It's as if it didn't happen.
Target 7 has learned that getting your records to disappear is not easy. It can be costly, and they don't go away completely.
New Mexico's expungement law is not a true expungement. When a person has their record expunged, it does not destroy the record entirely.
As a state senator, Jacob Candelaria backed the Expungement Act. As an attorney, he's represented more than 24 clients who have tried to get their records to go away.
It merely shields that record from public view.
Cheryl got her record expunged, so if you go to the state court website and type in her name, no record pops up. But her record still exists somewhere in the Department of Public Safety archives. State law does not require it to be destroyed.
While expungement was a good, important step forward, the administrative complexity and the fact that it's not a real record destruction tells me as a lawyer that we still have work to do to do the right thing here.
Candelaria says when the FBI runs a background check, it's not supposed to show up. He contends he's seen cases where it has.
Even though a court has entered an order expunging a record, because we don't have true expungement, if any of those administrative steps are missed, a person's record is still going to show the conviction.
And that conviction will show up on privately owned websites. Target 7 has a resource to search backgrounds, so we took it to the test and we were still able to find Cheryl's criminal record. Even though her record was erased at the courthouse, it was still out there before the expungement was granted.
It's easy to find information on the internet. If there had been an arrest, for example, a mugshot, even if the mugshot's taken down by the county jail under an expungement order, it's possible that that still could be out there.
Cheryl has been able to move on. It took nearly 2 years and $2,500 to get her conviction expunged.
I got my fingers crossed. That's exactly right. I am allowed technically to say that I am not convicted of a felony.
For Target 7, I'm John Cardinelli.
In the first year of the law, more than 200 New Mexicans got their criminal records expunged.